Watch your fucking mirror. Man, fuck you, bitch. What's up then? What's up? Pull over there. Pull over there, nigga. Pull over there, bitch. Pull over there. Pull over. What's up with all that shit now?
I'm
huh?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Huh?
I'm sorry. You got a video. I got a video.
I gotta watch your motherfucking mirrors, nigga.
I apologize. Wait.
What? What?
I'm very sorry.
Okay then, we good then. We good.
In history think they know now because everybody knows
that you're just an asshole everywhere that you go.
Road traffic lights. We've also got heavy traffic on the M6 travelling southbound from Wigan towards 21 at Woolston. There was an earlier accident on the northbound side of the carriageway. That was northbound, so traffic moving well on the northbound stretch from the Thelwall Viaduct, but it seems to be slow southbound past the scene. We've also got a little congestion towards Knutsford as well, junction 19, just before that junction. Once you get towards the services, then it moves fairly freely on towards Holmes Chapel. And the M60 at Ashton-under-Lyne, I would say that's a little heavier than usual, and the queue is sort of edging back towards Failsworth as well, towards Oldham. So delays there travelling towards Stockport. And the M62 inbound from Rochdale, you'll find the queue from 20 towards 18 at Haywood. So traffic build a little bit heavy, I would say, on the M60 at Ashton. Let me know if you are, you can see what that queue might be caused by it.
This morning just overtook my friend on a bike in a single yellow line with about that much gap. Keep a nice dominant position. Single yellow line, so I could You're going over the double yellow line!
You're going over the yellow line, you've got to stop and so we can catch up with you. You don't go in the middle of the road, you drive on the near side, no matter who's doing what. You're not coming in through. You don't
I have a camera on, pointing you to the EVLA.
Cut me off, stupid! You're
pulling into this other fucking lane.
bitch, you're stupid!
Shut the fuck up before I run you out.
Do it! You're on camera, stupid! You're on camera, stupid!